guys, Mrs. Oliva here, and I understand that you are getting ready to do a project for class where you need to blog. So I wanted to introduce you to a neat tool called Blogger. Blogger is great because it works with your Google login seamlessly and doesn't require you to create another account. So when you first go to blogger.com, you'll go ahead and log in with your Wentzville School District Google username and password. And if you've never logged in before, you should be directed to a page that looks like this. So you'll notice on the right hand side here it says that you need to create a blogger profile, create a limited blogger profile. This is the one that you want to select. So go ahead and click on the button here that says create a limited blogger profile, and then you should be presented with a page that looks like this one. And in the box here where it says display name, this is the name that you're going to assign to your blogger profile. So for example, mine is Mrs. Oliva's Blogs. So it's not going to be the name of one blog, it's going to be the name that you'll assign to Blogger, and you'll have the chance to create individual blogs below that. So once you put in your display name, you'll go ahead and click on the button that says Continue to Blogger. Then you'll end up with a page that looks something similar to this. So this is my display name up here at the top, and then you'll notice that I already have some blogs that I've created, but if you've never been in here before, you shouldn't see any of those. So if you're ready to create a new blog, you're simply going to go over here to the left where it says New Blog, click on that button, and then you'll have the option to go ahead and put in a title. So today, Mrs. Hickerson maybe has a suggestion for the title that you want to put in here. My blog as Oprah Winfrey, okay? So then in the address bar down here, this is where it gets really kind of tricky. So you want to put in an address that nobody has used before. So Mrs. O blogs as Oprah. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it tells me this blog address is available. Okay, you'll know if there's no check mark over here that you need to select something else. I'm going to leave the template as the same. Now I can go ahead and copy my link address and put that into a place to share with Mrs. Hickerson now, or I'll show you how to go back and find it later too. But you're going to go down here to the bottom and click Create Blog. Give it a second to populate. I don't care about this domain business, no thank you. And then you'll be presented with basically your dashboard or an overview of your blog. So if you forgot what you put in as your URL to get to your blog, you can go down here to Settings, and then you'll notice the blog address is listed right here. You can copy and paste that if you need to. Otherwise, you can go back up to the top, go ahead and click on New Post if you're ready to post something. Now, you'll notice this looks a lot like a Google Doc. You have a lot of the same tools at the top of the page that you had if you were just going ahead and building a regular Google Doc. But I'm just going to paste some text in here for time's sake. So this is going to be my post. Now I can go ahead and preview the post if I want to. So this is what it's going to look like without any changes made. Color scheme's already set up for me. I can go ahead and save it if I want, and then publish. And you'll notice that the published post shows up here, and I have some options to delete, edit, view, share. I can do those things. So that's as simple as it is to actually post a new blog entry. But if I want to go down here to change the template of my blog, I also have that option. So I'm going to click on, you notice I clicked on Template, Live on Blog, and I'm going to click on Customize. And then I'm not going to play around with the template, I'm going to play around with the backgrounds. So there's a little arrow here next to background image, and then I can select from a variety of different choices here. You'll see it'll automatically make changes as I choose a different background. Okay, you can hit done. I can play around with suggested colors. I can change the width of white space on my blog. I can even play around with layout, which I won't do here today. And there's some advanced options as well, where I can change fonts and banner colors and that sort of thing. But really, that's as complicated as it gets with Blogger. So I hope that you can use this as a tool to help you be successful in your class as you begin to blog. Best of luck.